Mule Deer games.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Outside Office Hours. I am here in Tuolumne Meadows in Yosemite National Park, and you can see the sun is starting to set behind me. So what I wanted to do this evening was come out, bring the tripod and the camera, and see if we can get some good photos and videos of some of the animals here in the park. All right, so I am here on the Soda Springs Trail. I was gonna try to walk the whole way to Soda Springs, but I think it's gonna get a little bit too dark before I can get there, so save that for another time. But it's pretty cool. The sunset is beautiful, and there's lots of mule deer and birds, and this is definitely a great spot to come look for animals in Yosemite. So I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit and see what we can see.
It's pretty crazy. These deer are actually almost too close for the lens that I have. Mule Deer games. This guy and I are having a staring contest. He's not interested in me anymore. He wants to go hang out with his friends.
All right, that was pretty cool. Next time I'm going to come out a little earlier. It got dark pretty quick. I only had like 15 minutes or so, but got lots of shots of mule deer running around and playing, and really pretty sunset. So very cool. If you're looking for wildlife in Yosemite, Tuolumne Meadows, and some of the other meadows areas up along Tioga Road are really good. So, all right, if you enjoyed this, please like the video. Feel free to comment, and please subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel, try to, help everyday people get outside and help make nature accessible. So, all right, thanks everybody. Talk soon.